friends. Welcome back to Talk with Speak. Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
Good morning, Ryan. I'm great, but so sleepy. Ugh.
You always say that. Did you sleep late again?
Maybe. I was watching a movie.
Oh, really? Another romantic movie?
Stop it. It was an action movie this time. Boom.
Okay. So, are you free this evening?
Yes. Why?
Let's go for a coffee after work.
That sounds nice. What time?
Around 6 p.m.?
Perfect. There's a new coffee shop near the park.
Great. I'll meet you there.
Okay. See you in the evening.
See you, Emma.